Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Glassdoor, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then select if you want to continue with Facebook or with Google or with any other email address. I'm going to use my Google account. And now you have to give some information, but you can skip this step and you can come back later to these questions like set your minimum desired salary and and at this step you can click on the explore the app, and now you can search for jobs in Glassdoor. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.